Hey guys, welcome back to another video of SHA KIDS FUN. Today you are here with me, eshal, and you're watching SHA KIDS FUN story time. And also, guys, do not forget to subscribe and like our videos. And yeah, let's just get started. So I'll just ask our handy dandy book machine to give me a book. Book machine, please. Guys, are you excited about what book the book machine's gonna give me today? It's another pigeon book. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Wow, let's read this. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. I do not like the look of this title. The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Hello, Scooty Scoot Scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Very good manners there. Oh, thanks. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey! How did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive a bus. I ask for hot dog parties. I ask for candy. I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fly robot. Every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. Or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I have to stay up late. I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not fair. The duckling gets everything. Pigeon likes cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get a cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. How about what? You're giving me that cookie with nuts. With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you very much. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this book. If you want to hear more, just comment down below and I will tell you more stories. And bye!